This is the game engine I made. Here's the main character walking around, and one of the things it can do is spin on its head and so just like slide around. You can see it's kind of acting like a ball rolling on the ground, and it's detecting all the polygons and colliding with them. And also you can swim in the water, and that's what it's doing right now. But what I really wanted to show you is the interface I made to make the game. I won't go over all the features, but I'll just point out some of the main ones. So this is the interface I made to make the game. I have everything organized into folders, and if you expand some of the parameters, you can change things like whether the model is solid or visible. And just so one of the things I made is that you can change the surfaces within the game. So right now I'm just going to draw onto the surface, and you can see that it's actually updating the texture when I draw on it, and have it on repeat view. It makes it easy to make repeating textures. And change the color, add other colors onto it. And also one of the things I made into the engine is that you can also do any kind of modeling, change the coordinates of the points, and so I'll just demonstrate it right here. So you can select points, move those around, and also you can create points, do extrusions, select, delete, and also can edit the texture coordinates, move those around, translate, rotate. And here's the surfaces that are being used in the texture. As well as modeling, you can do animation. I'll show you the actions that the main character is doing, like running and swimming. So all I have to do is say which action I want to do and click edit, and I can see that the action is being played. I can go through the keyframes, move the legs, and here's the swimming action. And all I gotta do is move it. That'll create a keyframe. That'll create a keyframe in the Y direction. And I can also click on the editor and add points for keyframes. Yeah. Now I'm going to show you some of the code used for the vertex and pixel shaders. So I'll show you the one that is used to make the water. Then I'll open up the shaders folder, and here's the code. And you can compile this within the editor itself. Just like I want to make it more red, hit compile, and now the water is more red. And the movement of the water is actually being controlled by the in-game programming language I made. So if I go here, I can change one of the variables to change the speed of the water, and when I hit compile, you can see that the water is moving faster than it was before because I increased the speed variable. And I'll show you some more of what the in-game programming language can do. Like, have it programmed so that when the character goes up to that switch, the drawbridge will open and close. And so when I go up to the switch, if I press X, drawbridge will open and it'll close whenever I press it. And that's actually being controlled by the in-game programming language. I'll open up the code and see when I press X and I'm at a close enough distance to the switch, then the keyframes will increase, playing the drawbridge animation. So I've been working on this game engine for almost 2 years. It's been really fun solving problems, adding features and tools, and really enjoy making it.